Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best dual fuel generator available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Westinghouse dual fuel generator. A 457cc 4-stroke engine powers this generator. It is the most potent generator on our list, able to deliver 12,500 watts of peak output and 9,500 watts of running power when powered by gasoline. With 8,500 watts of running power and 11,200 watts of peak power on propane, it also produces a very good amount of electricity. With 6.6 gallons of fuel available at once, you can run continuously for nearly 12 hours before needing to refuel. This makes it ideal for RV camping or any nighttime outdoor celebration. A 12 volts battery charging port, 2 GFCI 120 volts 520R outlets, a transfer switch ready 120 volts/240 volts L1430R outlet, an RV ready 120 volts/240 volts 1450A outlet, and other outlet ports are included. Westinghouse WGN 9500DF has a 3-year manufacturer's guarantee. At number 2 is the Duromax dual fuel generator. The 458cc OHV 4-stroke Duromax engine that powers this generator can run on either gasoline or propane and will provide approximately same power. This generator can produce 12,000 watts of surge power and 9,500 watts of operating power when fueled by gasoline. The figures are slightly lower when using propane, with 9,025 watts of running power and 1,140 watts of surge power. The 8.3-gallon gasoline tank of the Duromax XP12000A is more than sufficient for a protracted and unbroken performance. This high power output can be used through a variety of ports, including 2 standard 120 volts 20A household outlets, one 120 volts/240 volts 50A heavy-duty outlet, one 120 volts/240 volts 30A twist lock outlet, and one 120 volts 30A twist lock outlet. Duromax offers a 3-year warranty on this item. At number 3 on our list is the DuroStar dual fuel generator. The 439cc OHV engine that powers the dual fuel generator from DuroStar has plenty of power to run a number of devices, including power tools and heavy-duty appliances. The generator has a starting power capacity of 10,000 watts and an operating power capacity of 8,000 watts. The generator uses dual fuel, as suggested by its name, and can hold 8.3 gallons of fuel. This generator may be run on either gasoline or propane. The dual fuel generator features an MX2 technology allowing you to optimize the power based on your needs. You can operate the generator at both 120 volts and 240 volts simultaneously or switch to just 120 volts for maximum power deliverance. The power panel has multiple outlets for supporting all household appliances. There is also a 12 volts DC charging post for powering external batteries. Moving up at number 4 is the WEN dual fuel generator. Another powerful dual fuel power generator from WEN is presented here. It is propelled by a turnkey started, 4-stroke, 457cc OHV engine. On gasoline, you can generate up to 8,300 watts of running power and a maximum of 11,000 watts of output. A 6.6-gallon gasoline tank powers all of this energy, providing approximately 8.5 hours of continuous use. On the other hand, it is capable of providing 7,500 watts of running power and has 9,500 watts of surge power when used with propane. If you take a look at the front, you will see that it has 4 120 volts 20A GFCI outlets, one 120 volts 30A twist lock L530R outlet, one 120 volts/240 volts 50A NEMA L1450R outlet and one 12 volts DC outlet. You will be getting 2 years of warranty with this dual fuel generator. At number 5 is the Pulsar dual fuel portable generator. Pulsar may be your best choice if you're seeking for a fairly powerful dual fuel generator for a general purpose application. On gasoline, it can deliver 12,000 watts of surge power and 9,500 watts of operating power. The performance on propane is also rather high, providing 8,550 watts of running power and having a peak power capacity of 10,800 watts. It is powered by a 4-stroke OHV air-cooled 457cc engine that has a 8-gallon fuel tank. With this tank, you can get around 12 hours of operation if run at half load on gasoline. It has a decent set of outlets as well, such as 4 120 volts 20A outlets, one 120 volts/240 volts 50A outlet, one 120 volts/240 volts 30A twist lock outlet, and one 12 volts DC outlet. So that's sums of today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.